What's up guys, Devin with Adventure Hobby Passions back today doing another video. And as you can tell, we're in Moab. We're driving around in the Can-Am. Just gonna have a great weekend. This video is gonna be the first video in this weekend series on going on a bunch of different trails and just having a good time with a big group of friends.
Dude, I haven't even left two-wheel drive. I have gone to low range.
Dude, I've been in one-wheel drive this whole time.
One-wheel drive, guys. He's breaking records. Tanner, can you believe he's been in one-wheel drive? Yeah.
Let's go. Shoot out with a vest, but that boy, he still caught a headshot. They can shoot from down the street, his nickname, yeah, is Deadshot.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase.
What's up? We bumping back here.
Chase the up into his leg stop. I just fucked his thought and I just hit him with that leg lock. Yeah.
Told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. My fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand, man, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing.
that highway.
What do you mean?
Chloe, I'm like picked up.
Keep doing that.
Yeah. What's up,
My
Caden?
cake got shredded in my wheel. I'm not. I'm like, they just really stretches it there.
E-BB.
Meanwhile.
Dirt bike. That's me. Step on Mountain Dew.
All of the cameras. So I'm gonna sleep right here.
Guys, just chilling in Moab. You know, Moab. At the arch. You know, no big deal.
Abby.
Anyways. Constantino!
On the shoulder.
The band's back together.
Few inches later.
All right, and this is gonna be Tusher Tunnel. It's a pretty long tunnel. I'm actually not speeding the video up at all. We're gonna go all the way through it and to the other end and explore on the other end a little bit and just, you know, keep hanging out and having a good time. All right, here's another one we found. Walking out of it.
Oh, hey, I'm in here. What's up, dude? No, it just goes this far. That's what she said. There, Danner says there's a better one up here.
Imagine if there's just sometimes it just comes up and hits me in the face.
What would fall? The whole thing?
Dead. Dead.
Dead.
Free Shabakadoo.
Really? What's that mean?
Free Shabakadoo.
Guys, listen very closely.
Yeah, I did that.
my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
Hi. What's up?
All right, I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is day 1 in Moab. Freaking incredible trip. Tomorrow gets even better and a lot more intense off-roading. So it's fantastic. So stay tuned for that video. But biggest thing with my channel, go out, go find your passions.